Still hesitant to begin your trading journey? Now is the perfect time to start. You're in luck. This video will walk you through step by step how to quickly get started in trading company shares, even if you have no prior experience. And let's also check whether my strat actually works. I'm curious to find out. Are you? And for those who stick around until the end of the video, I'll reveal where to find free trading signals and my top strategies with a success rate of over 95%. Ready? Let's dive in. Hi, I'm Barry Lloyd. With 7 years of professional trading experience under my belt, I can confidently call myself an expert. Trading has completely transformed my life, giving me the freedom and the independence I always dreamed of. Now, after 7 years in the game, I know exactly how to fast-track your journey to freedom. This video is designed for those who are ready to make a change but unsure where to start in trading. I'll walk you through my top-tier trading strategy, which boasts a 95% success rate, and show you just how simple it can be. So watch closely and take notes. I'm a big fan of Telegram channels that offer real value, which is why I started my own channel designed to help anyone looking to jumpstart their trading journey. On my channel, I've compiled everything a beginner needs: tutorials on chart analysis, tips on identifying entry points for trades, in-depth market analytics, and most importantly, my exclusive trading signals. My subscribers simply follow these signals and consistently see amazing results. The best part, it's all completely free for my subscribers, so don't wait. Click the link in the description and join us now. Let's kick off our trading session. To keep things clear, I'll withdraw all funds from my balance so you can see our progress from the start. And here's the game plan for today. We're trading shares of major companies and pairs. Set the transaction time to 1 minute. Now let's set up our indicators. Choose MACD and Bollinger Band. We'll be focusing on stocks like Apple and Alibaba, as well as pairs like Canadian dollar, Swiss franc, and Australian dollar, Canadian dollar. So Apple's up first. You can see the price has bounced off the support zone and started climbing. An upward trend is forming, signaling that it is time to invest in growth. So we press higher. And there we go, our return is 192, not a bad start. Now let's check out Alibaba. So we're seeing a similar upward trend here, so let's press up. Another 192 in the bag, that is fantastic. Let's keep going. The trend is holding steady, so let's repeat the trade but with a high investment. And just like that, we add 384 to the balance. That is unbelievable. Now back to Apple. The situation hasn't shifted, so we'll ride the trend and invest for growth. Press higher. Boom! Another 768 to the balance. That is nice. Now let's check out our pairs. I've picked the Canadian dollar and the Swiss franc. We're observing a steady upward trend. The price is consistently hitting higher heights and higher lows. So we'll wait for the price to dip to the support level and then make our move. Press higher. Perfect. We've just added another 1536 to the balance. Excellent. Let's stick around and see if there are any shifts in the price channel. The upper boundary has been broken, so time to invest. And just like that, we earn another 28.8. Now let's check Alibaba. There is a slight downward movement, so let's go short. We're up by another 55.68. That is pretty impressive, right? Meanwhile, let's check out the Canadian dollar and Swiss franc pair. We're seeing a significant drop here, with a strong bearish candle signaling further downward movement. So we invest. And we're up by another 107. For all you beginners out there, something that can make trading a lot easier: my Telegram channel. Just click the link in the description. On my channel, I break everything down from basics to advanced strategies. I explain every detail, every button, and provide step-by-step guides and the exact strategies I use to succeed. Thousands of people have already joined, are seeing amazing results and newfound freedom. And the best part, it's all completely free. So why wait? Join our trading community now and kickstart your journey. Let's keep going. Next up, let's check out the Australian and Canadian dollar pair. The price is currently at the bottom of its movement and the MACD indicator is showing a significant dip, suggesting an upward reversal is on the horizon. So we invest for growth. There we go, a gain of 205.44. Now let's see what's happening with Apple. The price hit the support zone and dipped. It looks like the support line might break, continuing the downtrend, so let's go short. We invest 206. And we get 395.52. Awesome! Let's move on to Canadian dollar and Swiss franc pair. We're seeing a strong bullish movement here. The price surged past the resistance zone without any hesitation, so we invest for the upside. And just like that, we get 758.40. That is an amazing result. But let's keep the momentum going. Next we see a downward trend forming, time to capitalize on the falling prices. We invest 759. We pull in a whopping 1,457.27. That is something unbelievable. But let's check back into the Canadian dollar and Swiss franc pair. By analyzing the technical indicators we see and price levels, we can anticipate a possible rebound followed by a price drop. So we invest 2,779. That is a bit dangerous. And the result? A stunning 5,370.24. That is a stunning result. I cannot believe my eyes. Did you enjoy our trading session? If you're eager to replicate it, head over to my Telegram channel where you'll find detailed instructions and even more free trading signals that my subscribers are benefiting from. Follow the link in the video description right now and I'll see you in the channel.